Hi, my name is Gabby, and this is Palouse, a crop residue cover data viewer. This tool allows you to map estimated crop residue and different vegetation indicators and compute summary statistics across Whitman County. In this video, I will show you how to navigate this tool. The first thing you can do is select what you would like to look at. You can select Modeled Crop Residue Cover, NDTI, or NDVI. Next, you can select a date you'd like to look at. Choose a year, and from there you can select an exact date. Some years have more data available than others due to how much cloud cover there was when the imagery was taken. So for 2021 there's only one, but if we look at 2018, there are multiple. Once you've selected Modeled Crop Residue or a Vegetation Indicator layer, you can adjust other features on the map to explore. To use the Zoom tool, you can either click these buttons or use the scroll button on your mouse. You can change the base layer between satellite, street, and topo maps. Selecting this button will add a layer displaying the smaller Huck 12 watersheds. You can also adjust the opacity by adjusting this slider. Lastly, if you would like to download this map, you can simply click this button and save it to your phone or computer. If you would like to look at summary statistics for a specific area of Whitman County, there are various ways you can do this. The first option is to draw a polygon or a shape. You can do this by selecting Draw Polygons on the map, if it is not already selected, then clicking the button on the map shaped like a hexagon. Now you can draw a shape anywhere in Whitman County that you would like to see data for. A left click on your mouse will drop a point, and to close your polygon, click on your first point. To discard a polygon, you can click the trash can button. You can also look at an area of interest by Huck 12 watershed. Select this option in the menu and then select which watershed you would like to generate statistics for. The last option is to upload a zip shapefile, so if you have a specific area of land you would like to look at data for, you can upload this file here. Once you've selected an area you'd like to generate summary statistics for, you can click Calculate Statistics. On this page, you can see the area of interest selected, a graph visualizing this data, and summary statistics including minimum, maximum, and mean. Summary statistics include data for residue, NDVI, and NDTI. To look at data visually, you can select which parameter you would like to look at by clicking on these tabs, and the median values will be displayed. If you would like to save the graph, you can click the camera icon and the graph will be downloaded as a PNG. To download the statistics data, you can click this download button and you can save a CSV file to your device.